Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Manjaro Linux 24 on VirtualBox. First download the Manjaro Linux, then we will install. Go to Manjaro Linux official website, that is manjaro.org. Hit enter. Click on download. See here we have three editions: KDE Plasma, XFCE and Xeno. In this video I am going to download KDE Plasma. So click on this download. See, once we click on download, it automatically started downloads. Go to downloads. See here, the size is 3.9 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See, I have already downloaded Manjaro Linux KDE Plasma 24 ISO file. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Click on Oracle VirtualBox. Then click on New or Machine and select New. Both are same. Then provide name for the virtual machine. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have enough space. Select folder. Then select downloaded ISO file. Click on this drop down and select other. Select it and click on open. Then select hardware. Here I am giving RAM size as 4 gigabytes. It is based on availability. Number of CPU processors 2. Then hard disk I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on finish. See, if you are okay with all these settings, you have to click on this start, or if you want to edit settings, just click on settings. Then you have to select the respective options, or right click and select settings, or select it and select machine and settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on start to install the Manjaro on VirtualBox. Click on it. Use up and down arrows, select the boot with open source drivers and hit enter. Click on this maximize. Now click on launch installer. Select the language and click on next. Select region and zone on this globe, or you can select from this drop down, okay, or you can select the numbers. So I'm okay with the default one, so click on next. Keyboard, I'm going with the defaults. Erase this because it is fresh installation, so click on next. Now create user and provide the username, and this is the login name, okay, and this is full name, and this is the computer name or host name. So I'm going to change it as, then provide the password for this user. Then provide the password for admin account, that is root. Then click on next. Now if you want to install Office Suite, you can select either LibreOffice or FreeOffice. If you don't want, select no Office Suite. I'm going with LibreOffice. Then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on install. This is confirmation. Click on install. See, it is going to install Manjaro 24. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I am pausing this video and will resume at the end. It will ask us to reboot the system. See, installation has been completed. Select the checkbox, that is restart now. Before restart, remove this one. Select disk from drive and click on done. Now provide password. Hit enter. Turn off this Manjaro welcomes console by dragging this here, okay. Then close it. Now click on terminal or console. Now verify more /etc os-release. Hit enter. See, we have installed Manjaro. Now update the packages. Sudo pack man -s y. Hit enter. It is captures. Provide the password of this user. See, all packages are up to date. Control L. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Manjaro Linux 24 on VirtualBox. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.